Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only crucial for your overall well-being but also something that can significantly impact your quality of life: how to purify and detox your kidneys naturally. Our kidneys are small but mighty organs that play a vital role in filtering waste, toxins, and excess fluids from our blood. They also help maintain a delicate balance of electrolytes, regulate blood pressure, and support the production of red blood cells. Given their importance, keeping our kidneys in top condition is essential. In today's video, we'll explore 10 top natural beverages that can quickly purify and detox your kidneys. These aren't just ordinary drinks. They are powerful tools that can enhance your kidney function, flush out toxins, and even help prevent kidney-related illnesses. From herbal teas to nutrient-rich juices, these beverages are not only refreshing but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support kidney health. We'll also discuss the science behind each drink, how to prepare them, and practical tips on incorporating them into your daily routine. Additionally, we'll touch on some lifestyle habits that can further boost your kidney health. So, make sure to watch until the end to get the full benefit. Number 1. Water. Let's start with the most fundamental and powerful beverage of all, water. While it may seem basic, water is absolutely essential for kidney function and overall health. How it detoxes the kidneys. Water is your kidney's best friend. It helps to flush out toxins, reduce the risk of kidney stones, and maintain the balance of fluids in your body. By staying well hydrated, you support your kidneys in filtering waste products more effectively. Water helps dissolve minerals and nutrients, making them accessible to the body, and also aids in transporting waste products out of the system. How much to drink? The amount of water you need can vary based on factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health. A general guideline is to aim for at least 8–10 glasses of water per day, but some people may need more. If you engage in strenuous activities or live in a hot climate, increasing your water intake is crucial. For those with specific kidney conditions, consulting with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount of water is advisable. Signs of dehydration. It's important to listen to your body. Signs that you may not be drinking enough water include dark urine, dry mouth, fatigue, and dizziness. Chronic dehydration can lead to kidney stones and other kidney-related issues, so always keep an eye on your hydration levels. Water is undoubtedly the most natural and effective way to support kidney health. By making sure you're drinking enough every day, you're giving your kidneys the best chance to function at their peak. Number 2. Lemon water. Next up is lemon water, a simple yet powerful drink that offers a range of benefits, particularly for detoxifying the kidneys. How it detoxes the kidneys. Lemon water is not just a refreshing drink. It's also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which increases citrate levels in your urine. Citrate is a natural inhibitor of kidney stones, as it prevents calcium from binding with other substances that form stones. Additionally, the acidity of lemon juice can help break down small kidney stones, making them easier to pass. How to prepare. To make lemon water, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. For an added detox boost, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also sip on lemon water throughout the day to stay hydrated and keep your kidneys functioning well. Additional benefits. Beyond kidney health, lemon water is excellent for your digestive system, immune function, and skin health. It's a natural source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to support your kidneys, prevent stones, and promote overall detoxification. Number 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is often associated with urinary tract health, but did you know it's also fantastic for your kidneys? How it detoxes the kidneys. Cranberries contain unique compounds called proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract and kidneys. This is particularly beneficial in reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, and keeping the kidneys free from harmful bacteria. Additionally, cranberry juice helps flush out toxins and may prevent the formation of kidney stones by preventing calcium oxalate from sticking together. Choosing the right juice. When selecting cranberry juice, it's important to choose 100% pure cranberry juice without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Many commercially available cranberry juices are sweetened, which can negate some of the health benefits. If the pure juice is too tart for your taste, you can dilute it with water or mix it with other natural juices. How much to drink? For kidney health, it's recommended to drink a small glass of pure cranberry juice daily. This not only helps cleanse the kidneys but also provides a host of other health benefits, including antioxidant protection. Cranberry juice is a potent ally in maintaining urinary tract and kidney health, especially for those prone to infections. Regular consumption can help keep your kidneys functioning smoothly and reduce the risk of complications. Number 4. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea might not be the first beverage that comes to mind when you think of kidney health, but it's a powerful herbal remedy with a long history of use in traditional medicine. How it detoxes the kidneys. Dandelion is a natural diuretic, which means it helps increase urine production. This, in turn, aids the kidneys in flushing out toxins, excess salts, and water from the body. Dandelion tea also contains a wealth of antioxidants, including beta-carotene, which helps protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, dandelion has been shown to support liver function, which works in tandem with the kidneys to detoxify the body. How to prepare. To make dandelion tea, steep 1–2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root or leaves in a cup of boiling water for about 10 minutes. Strain the tea before drinking. For best results, you can drink 1–2 cups daily. It's also available in pre-packaged tea bags, making it convenient to enjoy at any time. Precautions. While dandelion tea is generally safe, it's important to note that it can interact with certain medications, particularly those that act as diuretics or blood thinners. If you're on any prescription medications, it's a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before adding dandelion tea to your regimen. Dandelion tea is a natural way to support kidney and liver health, helping your body efficiently eliminate toxins and reduce water retention. Number 5. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is another herbal drink that offers a multitude of health benefits, including supporting kidney function. How it detoxes the kidneys. Ginger is packed with powerful compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation, which is crucial for preventing kidney disease. Moreover, ginger has natural diuretic properties that assist in increasing urine output, helping the kidneys to flush out toxins more effectively. How to prepare. To make ginger tea, slice fresh ginger root and add it to boiling water. Let it steep for 10–15 minutes before straining. You can enhance the flavor with a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey, both of which also offer additional health benefits. Aim to drink 1–2 cups of ginger tea daily for optimal kidney support. Additional benefits. Beyond its effects on the kidneys, ginger tea is well known for its ability to soothe digestive issues, reduce nausea, and boost immunity. It's a versatile and beneficial addition to your daily routine. Ginger tea is not only detoxifying for the kidneys but also a comforting and warming beverage that supports overall health. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is widely recognized for its numerous health benefits, including its positive impact on kidney health. How it detoxes the kidneys. Green tea is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. These catechins also have diuretic properties, which help the body eliminate excess fluids and toxins. Additionally, green tea can lower the risk of kidney stones by reducing the formation of crystals that can develop into stones. How to prepare. Brew green tea using a tea bag or loose leaves in hot water for 3–5 minutes. To maximize its benefits, avoid adding sugar or milk, as they can diminish the tea's natural health properties. If you prefer a sweeter taste, consider adding a small amount of honey or a slice of lemon. How much to drink? Consuming 2–3 cups of green tea daily can help maintain healthy kidney function and support overall detoxification. If you're sensitive to caffeine, consider opting for decaffeinated green tea, which still retains most of the beneficial compounds. Green tea is a powerful and refreshing drink that supports kidney health, aids in detoxification, and provides a wealth of antioxidants to protect your body from disease. Number 7. Beet juice. Beet juice is a vibrant and nutrient-dense drink that can play a significant role in detoxifying your kidneys and improving overall health. How it detoxes the kidneys. Beets are rich in antioxidants, particularly betalains, which help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress. The nitrates in beet juice improve blood flow, which can enhance kidney function by ensuring that these organs receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. Additionally, beet juice can help detoxify the kidneys by aiding in the elimination of calcium oxalate, which can lead to kidney stones. How to prepare. Fresh beet juice can be made by juicing raw beets or using a blender and then straining the juice. For added flavor and benefits, you can mix beet juice with other vegetables or fruits, such as carrots, apples, or ginger. Start with a small amount, as beet juice can be quite potent, and gradually increase your intake. How much to drink? Due to its high concentration of nutrients, it's recommended to start with half a cup of beet juice a few times a week and monitor how your body responds. Drinking beet juice regularly can help support kidney health, lower blood pressure, and improve overall circulation. Beet juice is not only a powerful detoxifier for your kidneys but also a great way to boost your overall energy and vitality due to its rich nutrient profile. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is another potent natural remedy that offers numerous health benefits, including supporting kidney detoxification. How it detoxes the kidneys. ACV is rich in acetic acid, which helps to increase the acidity of your urine, making it more difficult for kidney stones to form. It also has natural antibacterial properties that can help cleanse the kidneys and urinary tract of harmful bacteria. The potassium in ACV helps dissolve kidney stones and prevent new ones from forming by breaking down toxins and flushing them out of the kidneys. How to prepare. To make an apple cider vinegar drink, mix 1–2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered ACV with a glass of water. You can add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness and a squeeze of lemon for added benefits. It's best to drink this mixture first thing in the morning or before meals. Precautions. Because ACV is highly acidic, it's important to dilute it with water to protect your teeth and esophagus. Also, start with a small amount to see how your body reacts, especially if you have a sensitive stomach or digestive issues. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile and effective natural remedy that can help cleanse your kidneys, prevent stones, and support your overall health. Number 9. Parsley juice. Parsley juice may not be as commonly consumed as some other beverages on this list, but it's a powerful kidney detoxifier. How it detoxes the kidneys. Parsley is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps increase urine production and flush out toxins, excess salts, and water from your body. It's also rich in flavonoids, which help reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys and lower the risk of kidney stones by preventing the buildup of calcium deposits. Parsley's chlorophyll content further aids in detoxification by helping to cleanse the blood. How to prepare. To make parsley juice, blend fresh parsley with water and strain the mixture. You can combine it with other vegetables or fruits like cucumber or apple to improve the taste. Alternatively, you can make a parsley tea by steeping fresh or dried parsley in boiling water for 10 minutes. How much to drink? While parsley juice is highly beneficial, it's potent, so it's best to start with a small amount, about half a cup, several times a week. If you're pregnant or have kidney-related health conditions, consult your doctor before consuming parsley juice in large quantities. Parsley juice is a potent, natural remedy for cleansing your kidneys and supporting overall detoxification, making it a great addition to your diet. Number 10. Cucumber juice. Last but not least, cucumber juice is an incredibly hydrating and detoxifying drink that supports kidney health. How it detoxes the kidneys. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, making cucumber juice one of the most hydrating beverages you can consume. This high water content helps flush out toxins from the kidneys and urinary tract. Cucumbers also contain essential nutrients like potassium and magnesium, which help maintain kidney function and reduce blood pressure. Additionally, the diuretic properties of cucumber juice increase urine output, which is essential for kidney detoxification. How to prepare. Fresh cucumber juice can be made by blending or juicing cucumbers. You can drink it on its own or mix it with other juices, such as lemon, mint, or ginger, for added flavor and benefits. Cucumber juice is light and refreshing, making it perfect for hydrating and detoxifying the body, especially during the summer months. How much to drink? You can enjoy cucumber juice daily, aiming for 1-2 cups. Because it's so hydrating, cucumber juice can be consumed throughout the day, especially if you need an extra boost of hydration. Cucumber juice is a refreshing and hydrating way to support kidney health, helping to cleanse your system and keep your body balanced. And there you have it, 10 top natural beverages that can help quickly purify and detox your kidneys. By incorporating these drinks into your daily routine, you'll not only support your kidney health but also promote overall wellness. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies, so make sure to enjoy these beverages regularly for the best results. Alongside these drinks, maintaining a balanced diet, staying active, and keeping hydrated are essential components of a healthy lifestyle that supports your kidneys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and take care of your kidneys. They take care of you.